Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Charlotte Rose and I'm an artist and illustrator based in the UK. I'm back today with another zine tour, and this is going to be a tour of my zine Beautiful Beasts. It's a zine about animals. I intend for it to be a series, although I made this one about 6 years ago and still haven't done another one yet. I thought I'd use this video as an opportunity to show you some of the gorgeous books from my book collection. I've got quite a lot of books on natural history and animals, so I thought I'd show you some because all of my books like this inspire me to make zines like this. So yeah, here's some of them. I'm going to put the names of the books and the authors and illustrators on screen as I go through them. So yeah, enjoy these books for a moment and then we'll go through the zine tour. So let's get into the actual zine tour. So this is the zine I'm going through today, Beautiful Beasts. I wanted it to be a celebration of like weird and wonderful animals that are funny looking or that do funny things. So yeah, this is it. It's the front cover. I tried making the front cover look kind of layered. So the end pages, the front and back are slightly different. So this has got silhouettes of Dumbo octopuses and elephant seals. And there's my little title page, so celebrating the beautifully strange animals. So yeah, I just jumped straight into it. I wanted this zine to be kind of bullet pointy. I didn't want it to be kind of paragraphs like some of my other zines. So just sort of like quick, short, fun facts that you could learn about the animals in kind of like short snippets. So yeah, I go through some of these animals. Amazing. I put out like a bit of a poll at the time and asked people which animals to go through. So some of these are recommendations. The secretary bird was suggested by my aunt, and it's an incredible creature, so why not? Like I said earlier, I did plan on making multiple volumes of this zine, and I do still plan to. I just always get distracted and move on to something else. I would love to do more volumes of this, and one of the volumes I'd like to do is prehistoric animals. I think that could be a really fun one. At the time of making the zine, I was messing around with Photoshop brushes, So I was adding a lot of kind of watercolor textures and things like that. And the chameleon, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a almost polka dotty kind of texture because I wanted it to look like their skin a little bit. But yeah, I don't really draw like this anymore, but I still like this scene. So the next volume of the scene is probably going to look really different. The shoe bill was recommended by my friend Kate because she's absolutely obsessed with them. And, you know, to be fair, I can see why. They're really weird birds and really kind of prehistoric seeming. Yeah, I ended on the tapir, which I think was recommended by my friend Robin. And yeah, the end pages at the back are little silhouettes of the chameleons and the tapirs. So yeah, just slightly different from the front. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that one. The next zine tour is going to be for a zine called Tiptoes, which is a collection of illustrations from my sketchbook. If you liked the video, give it a like and give me a subscribe. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.